Hello friends. Today I am going to share with you the summary of one of the most powerful and eye-opening books on money ever written, The Psychology of Money, by Morgan Housel. This book is not about financial formulas, complex numbers, or stock market strategies. Instead, it talks about our behavior with money, how we think, how we feel, and how we make decisions. Morgan Housel explains that financial success is not about how smart you are, but about how you behave with money, your patience, discipline, and mindset. So, let's dive deep into the 20 most important lessons from this book, explained in simple and practical ways. Keycap 1: Rich vs. Wealthy. Most people confuse being rich with being wealthy. Rich means having a lot of visible money, luxury cars, big houses, expensive clothes. Wealthy means having freedom, money that you don't see because it is saved, invested, and growing silently. Lesson: being rich is about showing off. Being wealthy is about security and freedom. Keycap 2: Making money vs. Keeping money. It's not difficult to earn money. People win lotteries, get big salaries, or earn profits in business. But the real challenge is keeping that money safe and growing it. Earning requires risk and boldness. Keeping requires humility, savings, and self-control. Lesson: focus not just on making money but also on protecting and multiplying it. Keycap 3: The Power of Saving. Housel says, saving has nothing to do with your income. It depends on your habits. Someone earning $500 can be wealthier than someone earning $5,000 if they save and invest consistently. Lesson: it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Keycap 4: Compounding, the eighth wonder. Albert Einstein once said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Morgan Housel proves this with Warren Buffett's life. Buffett's wealth didn't come just from smart investing, but from starting early and staying invested for decades. Small returns over long periods create extraordinary results. Lesson: time is more powerful than returns. Keycap 5: Never be too greedy. One of the biggest reasons people lose money is greed. When they achieve good returns, they want more, and in this process, they take unnecessary risks. Lesson: learn when to stop. Enough is enough. Keycap 6: Everyone's experience is different. Our financial behavior depends on our personal experiences. A person who grew up in poverty will always value savings. Someone born in abundance may not fear spending. Lesson: never blindly copy others' financial decisions. Your journey is different. Keycap 7: Luck vs. Risk. Success in money is not just about skill. Sometimes luck plays a huge role, and sometimes risk destroys everything. Bill Gates became successful partly because of his skills, but also because he had access to one of the few computers available in his area during the 1970s. Many others, equally talented, never got the same opportunity. Lesson: respect both luck and risk in financial life. Keycap 8: True wealth equals freedom. What is the ultimate goal of money? It's not luxury, not status, but freedom. The ability to wake up and decide your day without being forced by someone else. Lesson: financial freedom is the highest form of wealth. Keycap 9: Saving buys freedom. Every dollar you save is not just money, it is time and freedom for your future self. When you save, you are buying yourself options and independence. Lesson: saving equals control over your future. Keycap 10: The future is unpredictable. Nobody can perfectly predict the future: stock market crashes, pandemics, wars, inflation. Therefore, always prepare for uncertainty. Lesson: build your financial life in such a way that you can survive unexpected shocks. Keycap 1: Margin of safety. Always keep a safety margin in your financial plans. For example, if you can afford a $300,000 house, buy one worth $200,000. This safety cushion protects you from sudden income loss or emergencies. Lesson: never push yourself to the edge. Always keep a margin. Keycap 2: The price of money. Everything has a price, even money. The price of high stock returns is tolerating volatility. The price of business success is sleepless nights and risks. Lesson. Be willing to pay the price if you want the reward. Keycap 1 Keycap 3 Control over yourself. The real secret of wealth is not about controlling the market, it's about controlling your own behavior. Control your expenses. Control your desires. Control your emotions when markets rise or fall. Lesson. Self-control is the foundation of wealth. Keycap 1 Keycap 4 Avoid show-off. Many people fall into the trap of looking rich instead of being rich. They take loans to buy cars, gadgets, and branded clothes. But behind the curtain, they are drowning in debt. Lesson. True wealth is quiet. You don't need to prove it. Keycap 1 Keycap 5 Flexible plans. Life changes. Jobs change. The economy changes. That's why your financial plan should be flexible. Don't stick rigidly to one strategy, adapt as life evolves. Lesson. Flexibility is survival. Keycap 1 Keycap 6 Fear vs. Greed. Markets are driven by two emotions, fear and greed. When markets rise, people get greedy and invest blindly. When markets fall, people panic and sell everything. Lesson. The winners are those who stay calm during both. Keycap 1 Keycap 7 Long-term thinking. Money is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Long-term patience, discipline, and consistency create true wealth. Lesson. Think in decades, not in days. Keycap 1 Keycap 8 Ordinary people can become rich. You don't need to be a financial genius. Even ordinary people can become wealthy if they save, invest, and stay consistent. A school teacher who invests regularly can retire wealthier than a high-paid professional who spends everything. Lesson. Wealth is about habits, not intelligence. Keycap 1 Keycap 9 Money and happiness. Money cannot directly buy happiness, but it can buy freedom, and freedom brings happiness. Happiness is waking up without financial stress. Happiness is having time for family, health, and passions. Lesson. Use money to create a life you love, not to impress others. Keycap 2 Keycap 0 Knowing when to stop. There will always be someone richer than you. If you keep running the race of comparison, you'll never be satisfied. Learn to stop, appreciate what you have, and enjoy life. Lesson. True wealth is peace of mind. Friends, the psychology of money teaches us that money is not just about numbers, it's about psychology. Being wealthy is about freedom, not luxury. Patience, savings, and discipline are more powerful than intelligence. And the ultimate goal of money is not to show off, but to live life on your own terms. So, start small, stay consistent, and focus on building habits that make money work for you, not the other way around. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Because one small idea can change your financial life forever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another life-changing book summary.